Hello guys, good afternoon. So I need now to continue the lesson that I recorded yesterday. So we start with the four levels of measurement skills, and I need to repeat again for everyone. There are four levels of measurement scales. Number one, nominal level of measurement. Number two, ordinal level of measurement. Number three, interval level of measurement, and lastly, the ratio level of measurement. As I told you yesterday, if the question is how old are you, like that, then it can be classified as nominal level of measurement since you are only asking for the age. But if you ask all the members of the household the age of those, then you rank these ages, then it will be classified as ordinal level of measurement. Then the ratio level of measurement, what is that? So as I told you yesterday, like for example, how many members of the family are male and female, then if that is 20 out of 100 for the male, then that is a 20%. And for the female, that is 80% since 80 over 100. Then for the interval level of measurement, one of the best examples is the measurement of body temperature. Another is the oxygen level of our bodies. We will not use the machine or equipment for checking the temperature of our body and checking the level of oxygen in our body. And the what do you call this one again? The measurement will be zero. But if we will use those equipment, then there is a tendency that the measurement will be normal or abnormal. Okay, now let's go to the basic techniques in statistics. First one, the simple random sampling method. Second one, the systematic sampling method. So what do you mean by simple random sampling method? So I will read. It's the simplest method for sampling and it is up. What's that again? Okay, so it was covered by the camera. So what do you mean by simple random sampling method? It is a method wherein everyone has the chance to be chosen. So like for example in Bulaga, when there are objects in the set of Bulaga, there are games wherein you need to draw lots the number, then the number of the objects had been picked up, then he or she has the chance to be part of the contestants to the game. So that is an example of simple random sampling. For the systematic sampling method, okay, so suppose you want to take a sample in size and using this method, we're including the following. We're giving the elements of the population serial numbers from 1 up to n, determining an interval called the withdrawal period. This interval can be computed therewith by dividing the size of the population that are interested by the required sample size. So almost the same with the simple random sampling method, except for there is an interval. What would be the next number after the number? And that number is called the withdrawal period. Like for example, the withdrawal period is 5, and you pick number 5. So the next will be number 10. So 5 plus 5, so 10. Next to that will be 15. Next to that is 20, and so on and so forth. Now let's go to stratified sampling method. Okay, so it is a subset of population shared some characteristics. So the stratum or similar, the plural is strata. Such condition, the stratified sampling method is used and these subsets are selected random. Like for example, the Department of Public Highways here in Pangasinan, it was divided into different districts. So they can be classified as different strata. Like for example, District 1, District 2, District 3, District 3. So all the members have the chance to be chosen from the different districts as a sample for observation and for experiment. So should I see as overall for the study of the research? Fourth one, cluster sampling method. The difference between the stratified sampling method and the cluster is that in case of stratified, the researchers select a random sample of elements from population strata and the nulls are performed on the elements directly. While in other cases, the nulls are performed on the clusters chosen randomly from the population. Usually, each cluster consists of heterogeneous elements based on the geographical places. The advantage of this method is that it's cheaper than other methods. Cluster sampling is used when the population is large or when it involves elements residing in a large geographic area. So you need only to choose one cluster and from that cluster you will represent all the different districts like that. And that is an example of cluster. So from stratified, from the different stars, you only need to choose one district that will represent all the districts, but the samples will only coming from the one district. Okay, so that is cluster sampling method. Now let's go to the difference between observational and experimental studies. What is the definition of observation? The researcher is interested in studying something happened in the past or happened in the moment of performing the study. Then he or she makes statistical analysis on collected observations to take the right decision. In other words, it's used when the researcher is interested in studying the correlation between two or more variables. For example, number of study hours and the general average of the students. Is there any what they call this one? Is there any effect if you study more hours than those students who do not study for longer hours? So one of the best examples of observational studies is survey. I believe that you already did this one when you were in high school or when you took up your practical research 1 and practical research 2. So you float questionnaires. Then from those answers, you make what do you call this one? Analysis. Then what you need for that analysis? Then from that analysis, maybe you can drone. Okay. You can draw a conclusion out of those analyses. Well, for the experimental, what do you mean by experimental? The researcher is interested in studying elements of population after distributing them into groups, and each group is being studied using different treatments. So, like for example, the momo seeds. When you put that in a dry place, what will happen? If you put that in a moist area, what will be happening? Okay, so that is an example of experimental study. So from this lesson, I prepared an activity. The first one is we need to classify each according to level of measurement. So there are four levels of measurement that I discussed. Number one,